So Todoist has this feature called urgent reminders, and if you haven't tried it yet, it's a game changer. It basically turns your phone into an alarm clock, but for your tasks. Let me show you how it works. When you set a reminder as urgent, it doesn't just send you a notification. It properly wakes your phone up like a full screen alarm. Even if you're on silent, even if you're in focus mode, you have to physically dismiss it or complete the task to make it stop. Setting it up is really simple. Open your task, tap on reminders, pick your time, and then you'll see a toggle that says urgent reminder. Just switch that on. The first time you do it, it'll ask you to enable something called AlarmKit. Just tap yes and you're done. This is perfect for stuff you absolutely cannot miss. Things like medication, especially if you're on antibiotics every 8 hours, or important meetings that you need to be at. Daily routines like brushing your teeth or bills and deadlines that have a hard cutoff. Quick tip, if you're using recurrent tasks, if you miss a couple of days and then tick the task late, the schedule can shift. So instead of 8 AM and 8 PM, it might jump to 2 PM and 2 AM. If that happens, just change the date to today and it resets back to normal. Give it a go on your next task and see what you think. Let me know in the comments. What would you set as an urgent reminder?